Are you a first-time home buyer, or maybe a relative, a grandchild, somebody you know, a child that's looking to buy their first home, or just want to explore it? Maybe they need a plan and get ahead and figure out what it looks like in a couple years, how they can buy. That's what we're going to do here. We got a great event coming up. We've got on March 8th in the evening. We're going to be having a real personalized event with our lending partners over at Cruz Lending Group that are right here in our office with us, and we're going to have some great information available. It's going to be very personalized, so let us know if you can make it. So we'll have something set up for you. We're going to be having some great goodies, some gales, and then a lot of information that we can talk to you about, renting versus owning and the benefits and what's out there, the entry-level price points, what type of loans are out there that have very low down payment, interest rates, everything that you might have questions about real estate. We're going to be here. It's going to be a total Q&A. It'll be awesome. So save the date, March 8th in the evening. Come a little hungry. We're going to have some goodies, some gales, like I said, and all that information will be here, and look forward to seeing you. Take care.